Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a timeline widget and add it to your Webflow website. So let's get started. First, go to the Common Ninja website. From their main dashboard, browse through their widgets and select the timeline widget. Once you open its page, click Create to enter the timeline editor. Inside the editor, you can start building your timeline by adding items one by one. You can also change the layout, apply different skins, and adjust design settings to match your website style. Feel free to customize the colors, fonts, and overall look until the widget fits your brand. When you're done customizing, simply click Save Changes. If you don't already have a Common Ninja account, you'll need to sign up before saving. Next, let's add the widget to Webflow. Head back to your Common Ninja dashboard, find the timeline you just created, and click Add to Website. A small window will pop up. Copy the embed code provided. Now open your Webflow dashboard. Keep in mind that the widget content won't appear inside the Webflow editor itself. It will only appear on the live published site. Inside Webflow, click the Add Element Plus option on the left panel and find the Embed block. Note that this feature requires a Webflow paid plan. Drag the embed block wherever you want the timeline to appear on your page. When the code window opens, simply paste the code you copied from Common Ninja, then click Save and Close. Publish your site to see the timeline widget live on your page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.